always try to make the very best images that I can, even when I'm just shooting for fun. Most of the time I get something that's really good enough. The odd times it's a bad picture. And then there are images like this one, a complete failure. There's a lot wrong here. Wrong exposure, wrong composition, distractions, and of course, that huge reflection in the upper left corner. Some of this wrong stuff I can deal with a few mouse clicks. The reflection though, I'm going to solve with a new AI tool in Photoshop 2025. Now first, you want to open up Camera Raw. Click on the preferences in the upper right hand corner, scroll down to where it says Technology Review and click on the new AI features and settings panel. Restart the software and open your image. And now I can start to work on some of those issues I mentioned before, and then I'll deal with the reflection afterwards. Once those basic edits are complete, click on the Remove icon, find the Distraction Removal panel, and open Reflections. Click on Apply, and let the AI do its heavy lifting. Now that we have the image looking a little better, open it up in Photoshop to do some fine-tuning. I'm going to use another AI tool to deal with some of that distraction like the waterline rope. It's there for liability reasons, kind of to alert people where the edge is by the water. Nobody likes to get sued, especially not me. And once that's done, I'll clean up whatever is left. And here it is. Still won't win any awards, but I like it enough to add to my personal photo album.